Hey champs, what's happening? Last episode we stayed in Oasis and now we're gonna level up. We're paying 1750 Thai baht for tonight and it's an amazing little villa at the waterfront. We are in a little bay looking at an island. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna have to drive there. It's a 40-minute drive. It's all the way on the other side of the island. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We just stopped for a quick coffee. I just noticed along the way we've been driving now for about a half an hour, and yeah, it's every shop you see, almost every shop is closed. They rebuilding it, they refurnishing it, or yeah, they look like this. And the next shop, the same thing. And the next shop is also closed, and the pharmacy is even closed, so on. So yeah, it's pretty bad, to be honest, but yeah, I just want to show you this because, you know, it's not all happiness and freedom here on the island.
Seafood and resort.
Yeah.
Here, no?
This is the last night we're gonna stay on the island, and we treated ourselves with some luxury. I can see already they are renovating as well here, but I'm not too sure if this is part of the resort. Let's have a look. Check in. Salak Fat Resort. I think we're gonna stay in one of those. So obviously everyone is wearing the mask. There's like a plastic screen also in front of the reception. Okay. Oh my god. Thank you, Cup and Cup. All right. Nice. Look at this. Hey? Wow, this looks amazing. Oh my god. Look at this. Yeah, baby! We're gonna chill in the hot tub, I think. Get some sparkling wine. Wow. Woo! This is something else, huh? Why? Ah, let's check out outside. Our private balcony. This is what you get for 1750 baht. Normally this would be at least double the price. I asked if we have more, if there are more people in this this resort, and we are the only ones. Like, there's no other people here. And you know, I think it's really special. I love it, but at the same time, this is not good news for the resort, for anything really. Like, anyway, we're here now, so don't cry about it and let's have a good time, eh? I'm gonna fill up that hot tub. Then again, this is a little treat for ourselves. Well, I don't personally do this very often, but I also just want to show you like what is possible now, right now in Thailand. Yeah, it is definitely affordable to stay in a luxury place like this. I'm sure the food will be expensive and the drinks as well. So yeah, that will add on whatever we're gonna spend here. There's two VIPs. Number one is right here, and then the other one is right there, and that's and that's our VIP. They call it a villa, but it's not much of a villa, but it's a freestanding bungalow, and it is amazing. Here are also some different categories. They look very nice. Some of them they look like, you know, they don't need the rooms right now, so I think they covered here. Yeah, there's nothing going on here. This one also, that looked empty, and they don't look like they're gonna get used pretty soon. These ones are also quite affordable, especially right now. Costs you about 1,200 to stay here. And yeah, you still got this amazing view, so I don't know what the bathroom looks like in these smaller bungalows. In this resort, we are staying in the VIP bungalow, so it's not gonna get better than this. We're just going to order food. The kitchen is closing at 6. It's about 4:45. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna order some food and we're gonna try to get some kayaks. The weather is not amazing, but as I like to say, it's good enough. There's the kayaks. Thank you so much.
ค่ะก็ไม่น่าจะไหว
ครับ
ครับ อันนี้ค่ะ
Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ We are staying in this little house over there. At 6 o'clock in 1 hour, we're gonna have room service. Neil ordered some food. I totally, fully trust her with this. I'm not too sure I eat anything anyway. Just gonna go to this island, but I'm not too sure what the island is called. But luckily, I've got a local friend. Neil, what's the name of the island? Huh?
I don't know.
Oi! Does anyone know what the name of the island is?
Koh Chang. Nein, 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 nein.
Shower and dinner. Room service. Can't wait for that. What is it called? Room service in Thai?
No room service. Beautiful.
Room service? Yeah. Okay. Already food, yes. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much.
ค่ะเหลืออีกอย่าง
ขอบคุณครับ Ooh, what is this? Look at this big boy. Let's see how we do this, eh? Let's see how. Oh, there's more coming. Oh, what did you order? Coconut water. Wow, but fancy one. Oh, really good. Anyway, this whole meal, we're not gonna think about it too much, but it's about 1,100 baht. Let's crack on with this one real quick. Wow, look at that meat. Look at this meat. I've never seen any bigger than this. Like, this is whole meat. Fresh. Caught today, this morning. Wow. Woo! Gonna have dinner now. And then probably sit in the hot tub for a little bit. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night, champs. Morning, champs. It has been raining for the entire morning. I set my alarm at 6 to watch the sunset, but it was pouring down until an hour ago. It's now almost midday. Anyway, this was by far the most beautiful accommodation here in Koh Chang. I'm not too sure where we're going, champs, so please leave a comment in the description if you want to see something in particular. If you're new to the channel, it's an interactive channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're into Thailand, Thai food, Thai culture, if you like anything that has to do with backpacking or traveling, subscribe to the channel. For the next 4 to 7 months, I will be here in Thailand, traveling about. Hopefully I can show you as much as possible. The COVID restrictions are a bit of a pain sometimes, but we get our way around it. If you like these videos, champs, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Stay champ.